Real talk, mamas. Navigating a hectic airport layover with full breasts, a heavy breast pump, and a stroller is enough to make anyone want to cancel the entire vacation. But what if your layover didn't feel like a stressful chore, but rather a total luxury self-care day? Today, we are spilling the tea on the ultimate airport sanctuary, the American Express Centurion Lounge, and giving you an honest, unfiltered review from a pumping and nursing mom's perspective. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your absolute go-to spot for navigating high-end travel without losing your mind or your luxury aesthetic. We believe that being a breastfeeding mama doesn't mean you give up your miles, your bougie getaways, or your peace of mind. If you hold that shiny platinum card, you already know the Centurion Lounge is a total game changer for regular travel. But how does it hold up when you need to pump ounces of liquid gold or nurse your little one in peace? Let's break down the exact hacks you need to know to maximize your lounge access. Let's start with the absolute best feature, which is the dedicated private spaces. While many airports force you into those tiny, cramped public pods on the concourse, the Centurion Lounge elevates the entire experience. Many prime locations offer beautifully designed, lockable family rooms or dedicated mother's rooms. We are talking plush seating, dimmable lighting, and actual privacy away from the chaotic main dining area. When you check in at the front desk, bypass the usual small talk and ask the agent immediately for the availability or key code to the mother's room. It ensures you secure your private oasis before you even settle in with your luggage. Next up is the logistics of the pump itself, because keeping your gear clean and powered up on a long travel day is a massive chore. There is nothing worse than hunting for a working power outlet when your wearable pump is running on empty. Thankfully, the Centurion Lounge is overflowing with outlets at almost every single seat. If you need to wash your high-end pump parts, don't use the high-traffic main restrooms. Instead, leverage one of the best luxury travel hacks out there and request a private shower suite from the front desk. This gives you a spacious, entirely private bathroom with premium hot water to rinse and sanitize your gear in total comfort. And here is a brilliant pro tip for your travel chiller: walk right up to the premium bar and ask the bartender to top off your double-walled thermos with fresh ice. They will happily oblige, keeping your stash perfectly chilled for the flight ahead without costing you a single buck. Finally, let's talk about recharging your own battery. Making milk takes serious calories, and soggy airport sandwiches just do not cut it. The Centurion Lounge offers gourmet, chef-curated hot food completely free of charge. Skip the sugary sodas and ask the mixologist for a custom, hydrating mocktail to support your supply while you kick back and relax. Traveling as a nursing mom can be tough, but leveraging these luxury perks turns a stressful trip into an absolute breeze. If you want more real talk on premium travel and motherhood, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below letting us know your favorite airport lounge hack. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.